Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to explain verb and its type in detail. So let's get started. A verb is a sentence, is a part of speech which conveys an action like bring, read, walk, run, learn, or state of being, exist, stand, or verbs have traditionally been defined as words that shows action or state of being. Sentence in English have a main verb which is stated in a tense, simple present, simple past, simple future, etc. Examples: William writes short story at home. Types of verbs. Basically, we have five type of verb which are given below. Number first is main verb or action verb, also called. Number second is helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. Number third is linking verb. Number four is transitive verbs, and number five is intransitive verbs. So let's explain one by one of them. Number first is main verb or action verbs. Main verbs or action verbs are used to express an action, something that an animal, a person, or a thing does. In each of the following sentences, we only have a main verb or action verbs or verbs that are used to explain what the subject of a sentence is actually doing. Example: rain, swim, jump, move, look, etc. He is reading the newspaper. Number two is helping verbs. As the name suggests, helping verbs help or support the main verb, also known as auxiliary verbs. Lend a helping hand to the main verb in a sentence. These verbs can assist in: number first, forming a question, creating a negative statement, showing a possibility, dictating verb tense. Example: as, be, do, have, could, must, etc. Does Sophia write all her own reports? Number third is linking verbs. Linking verbs do not express action, instead, they connect the subject of the verb to additional information about the subject. Examples: be, being, been, am, is, or was, etc. This sweet tastes. The pizza is heavenly. The fabric will feel. Number four is transitive verbs. A transitive verb requires a direct object to complete its meaning. An agent performs an action and a patient or theme undergoes the action. The direct object usually takes form as a noun phrase. It has two prominent features. Number first, it acts as an action verbs expressing an activity. Number second, it uses a direct object that receives an action. Examples: I know her. The verb is known. The object upon which the verb is acting is Ima. Therefore, known is a transitive verb in this case. Number fifth is intransitive verbs. An intransitive verbs does not accept an object noun phrase as its complement. Instead, it may take an adverb or a prepositional phrase as its complement or required element, or as an adjunct and optional element. A passive structure cannot be formed because there is no object. Example: the students arrived at the residency in Chicago.